In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an IRS tax extension with TurboTax for the 2024 tax year. First, head to the TurboTax website. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a new one. Use a secure internet connection and make sure you can access your email for any verification prompts. Have your basic information handy so you can move quickly once you're in. Now, start your 2024 federal tax return. TurboTax will prompt you to enter personal details like your legal name, current mailing address, and social security number. Enter everything carefully and exactly as it appears on official documents. This ensures your extension request matches IRS records and helps prevent processing delays. Now, navigate to the area for filing an extension. Look for options labeled File an Extension or Need More Time. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar within TurboTax to find the extension workflow. You're going to complete IRS Form 4868 through the software, which is the official request for more time to file. When you're filling out Form 4868, the key is estimating your 2024 total tax liability and subtracting any payments you've already made, such as withholding from paychecks or estimated tax payments. TurboTax will guide you through these questions. To estimate, consider using your most recent pay stubs, year-to-date figures, or last year's return as a starting point and adjust for any changes in income. If you're unsure, it's generally safer to estimate on the higher side to reduce potential interest and penalties. The result is the amount you believe you still owe as of the April filing deadline. Once everything looks accurate, follow the on-screen steps to e-file Form 4868. Before you submit, review your entries one more time for typos. After you send it, TurboTax will confirm when the IRS receives your extension. Save or download that confirmation for your records in case you need proof later. If you owe taxes, remember that an extension only gives you extra time to file, not extra time to pay. Payment is still due by the April deadline. TurboTax typically allows you to make an electronic payment as part of the extension process. Paying what you owe now helps you avoid additional interest and late payment penalties. With the extension approved, your new deadline to file the full return is October 15th. That's it. Access TurboTax, start your 2024 return, find the extension section, complete Form 4868 with careful estimates, submit electronically, and pay any amount due by the April deadline. You'll be set with extra time to finalize your return.